Good afternoon, Doug here from Performance Unlimited. Hey, another example. Again, Pontiacs. I am the king at Pontiacs. Let me tell you, I got all the tricks. So look, if you're really looking for a Pontiac engine, you don't go to a pizza parlor. Well, now what I mean by that is, you don't go to a stock engine builder and say, hey, can you build me a Pontiac? They can all build Chevys, they can all build the small Fords. When it comes to these Pontiac motors, there's a lot of tricks and technique involved in putting them together. Make sure they produce and are built properly. Again, custom built in-house. We start out with this is a 400, start out with a 400 block, all machined up. I put screw and studs in the mains, Cleveland bearings throughout the motor. It's got a brand new rotating assembly in it with a new crank, brand new connector rods, forged pistons. Got the Edelbrock heads, ARP main bolts throughout. Again, a lot of tech. I got a lot of tricks that make these motors go together and last for a long time. Guys that take my Pontiac motors, they know what I'm doing when it comes to building these things. Again, this one's got a beautiful pulley kit on it. This is CVF, I believe it's called, CVF kit. Real nice thick wide belt. We sort of like it, it's got a belt tensioner on there. But again, this thing is a 400 horse, actually it's a 400 Pontiac. Just got done making 485 horsepower, all down low, over 620 foot-pounds of torque. That's pretty good. Again, I don't want to tell everybody all my tricks, but they're bone dry. You don't have to worry about our seals leaking. Once again, you're looking for something great, give us a call, man. The proof is in the performance. Thank you. Peace and God bless. As usual, sounds, fires up, beautiful.